Hello and welcome to our video on 7 ways to understanding and managing post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. PTSD is a mental health disorder that can develop after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event. It can affect anyone and is often experienced by military veterans, first responders, and survivors of abuse, accidents, or natural disasters. If you or someone you know is struggling with PTSD, keep watching for some helpful tips and examples. 1. Recognize the symptoms. The first step in managing PTSD is recognizing the symptoms. These can include flashbacks, nightmares, avoidance of certain places or situations, and feelings of guilt or shame. For example, a military veteran may have vivid memories of combat experiences, causing them to avoid loud noises and crowded places. 2. Seek professional help. It's important to seek professional help if you or someone you know is struggling with PTSD. A mental health professional can provide therapy, medication, and other treatments to help manage the symptoms. For example, a survivor of domestic violence may benefit from cognitive behavioral therapy to address their fear and anxiety. 3. Create a support system. Building a support system can also help manage PTSD. This can include family members, friends, and support groups. For example, a first responder may join a support group with other first responders who have experienced similar traumatic events. 4. Practice self-care. Self-care is important for managing PTSD. This can include exercise, healthy eating, and relaxation techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. For example, a survivor of a natural disaster may find relief in yoga or mindfulness practices. 5. Avoid triggers. Avoiding triggers can also help manage PTSD. Triggers can be anything that reminds someone of their traumatic experience. For example, a survivor of a car accident may choose to avoid driving on the highway or seeing movies with car crash scenes. 6. Develop coping strategies. Developing coping strategies can also help manage PTSD. This can include journaling, art therapy, or other creative outlets. For example, a survivor of sexual assault may find comfort in writing about their experiences or creating art to express their emotions. 7. Practice patience and understanding. Finally, it's important to practice patience and understanding with yourself or someone you know who is struggling with PTSD. Recovery takes time, and setbacks are common. For example, a military veteran may experience setbacks in their recovery journey, but with patience and understanding, they can continue to make progress. Conclusion. In conclusion, PTSD can be a challenging mental health disorder to manage, but there are ways to understand and cope with it. By recognizing the symptoms, seeking professional help, building a support system, practicing self-care, avoiding triggers, developing coping strategies, and practicing patience and understanding, you or someone you know can begin to manage PTSD and live a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching.